with me, hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, Jake? We out here on this Honda Ridge line.
They spent when everything else failed, didn't do.
All right, so I guess I'm your savior today then, huh? What's going on with it?
Owner says he lost the keys.
Well, it's a long story. I don't want to hold you up, but you know they got little key box with keys.
Uh-huh.
I lost that dirty son of a bitch.
All right, no big deal. Typical car, four-wheel left.
And nothing will start without it. I mean, nothing.
Right.
So I called the Honda dude up here and I said, if I give you the serial number, can you make me one? Oh, yeah, we can make it one. And I said, well, can you do that? No, we need the car. We need to program it to the car. I said, okay.
However, this one was all but typical.
Yeah, you gotta bring the car in order for it to work.
Yeah. Next job yours.
Oh, boy.
Just shut the door. It quits in 12 seconds.
This car is underneath the carport, up against a park stop, real close to a support pole. Trifecta of issues in order to get this car on this truck and out of that spot.
I really screwed up today. I bought me a brand new 44 Magnum.
Yeah.
Well, I'll get out of your way.
Originally, a flatbed was sent out here to come and get this thing and said he couldn't get it because of where it was. Well, with this big, long truck of mine, I ain't getting it where it is either. So I had to do exactly the same thing the flatbed was gonna have to do, and that's literally winch it out.
Anything I can do to keep watch for you or anything?
No, it will be okay.
We'll put that all-wheel drive and put it. All right.
I'm gonna put some skates up underneath the wheels because I gotta get it past this pole in order to get the equipment on there. You'll see, I'm gonna show you right now.
Another two things.
All right, so these things here, I'm gonna put them up underneath the wheels so that way your car will slide on these.
Oh, okay.
I've only got to get it out enough to get past that pole because my equipment's gonna sit out wider than your wheel and it won't clear that pole. So I got to get it out of there first.
I got all the paperwork in it. I can tell it was your first time.
No.
Where's it parked like that? How do you just move it, pick it up, move it? It's just parked?
Well, if that pole wasn't there, then yeah, I would have just picked up the rear, put the dollies on the front, and I would have just been gone with it. But with that pole and how close it is,
You've probably been down to the bar by now.
yeah, yeah.
You probably see it in there.
Do me a favor, stand on the other side of that car over there, just to be on the safe side. almost got it where we need it to be. Because I see as it's coming out, it's pulling away from this pole, and that's exactly what we want. That way I can get that equipment on there. All right, we're gonna do a little bit more pulling. All right, we are almost there.
Perfect.
Perfect. So once I got that front end out past that support pole,
Yep, we good now.
unfortunately, I don't have all the footage from this job because both my hat cam and my action cam, both the batteries died. Then I went ahead and started loading it up, getting it on its way. At the end of the day, when it comes down to it, man, legitimately, you can get anything with any truck. The only thing that legit stops a flatbed is height clearance, tail swing, tight spot, tight situation. But we went ahead and got it done, got it delivered, moved on to the next call. I appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.